Something moves under skin. Quiet at first, then it grows. No clear form, no one knows. Slow shift deep inside, nowhere left to hide. Hold it down, keep it still, mask it soft, bend the will. But it leaks through the frame, doesn't stop, doesn't name. No more shape, no more line. Can't contain what is mine. No more shape, no control. Something broke in the hole. Pulse runs out of sync, faster now.